At La Joya ISD, we believe strong schools are built on strong relationships. That's why our fourth priority is community trust, unity, and partnership.
Cuando las familias, el personal laboral y la comunidad trabajan juntos, nuestros estudiantes tienen éxito. At La Joya ISD, we're building authentic partnerships through trust, transparency, and unity.
We're creating inclusive spaces for dialogue where families and community members help guide district priorities. We're building a culture of respect, empathy, and responsiveness so every family feels supported. We are equipping campuses to serve as centers of community connection and partnership. We are strengthening communication systems to keep families informed, engaged, and connected. By 2030, participation in district-led forums and events will increase by 50%. By 2030, 80% of families will report satisfaction with communication and customer service. By 2030, 80% of families will report feeling strongly connected to their child's school. And by 2030, every campus will host at least 4 high-impact engagement events each year.
I feel proud of my family when they're part of my school.
El Distrito Escolar de La Joya se asegura que nuestras voces sean escuchadas.
When schools and families partner together, our students thrive.
At La Joya ISD, building trust, unity, and partnership means we are stronger together for every student, every day.